name is Juan David Moreno, and I'm going to present the Roman formula function in Microsoft Excel. What is Roman formula? The Roman formula is from the math and group, and the function of Microsoft Excel is to allow us to change from the Arabic numeration, the one used of day, and to the Roman numeration. There are some remarks you have to know before starting using the Roman function. The first one is that you cannot use negative values for this function. And the second one is that the numbers over 3,999 cannot be shown in the Roman version. Knowing this, let's start with the example. We're going to come here to Microsoft Excel, and I have already prepared this table over here. What I'm going to do is to change from Roman, for Arabic to Roman, these values, the centuries. So, how we can now do this? There are two options. First one, we go with the easiest one, I think. Let's go to the Formulas tab and go to Math and Trick. We go to there are here, and we choose Roman. There will be a window that will open over here, and what we're going to do is to select the number we want. As you see, here we put the number 17. Here is the form. The form is the way you want to see the number. It could be or classic or simplified. If you don't put nothing, it will appear in the classic form. First, we're going to use it in the classic form. So we do put nothing. If you want, you put a 0 over here, and we do OK. As you see, the number 17 you have before will change for this Roman number. Let's go with the other one. The other way we can do this is also the writing. We choose the equal sign, and then what we're going to do is to write in capital letters. We'll open the parentheses and select the number we want. We're going to use the 20 in the simplified form, the classic one, and we're going to close it. As you see, I have already changed to the classic Roman number of 20. Let's do this next one. Math and Trick. Sum is Roman 21. And function. Math and Trick. Roman 6. And very happy. So now I'm going to show the different options there are over the kind of classic and simplified versions of the Roman numbers. I'm going to write here the same number, but 4 times.
Some is easy to test and look at conditions and measure the value based on their conditions.
Okay, we have already the numbers over here, and what I'm going to do is to use the Roman formula of each one of them. So you look that we can simplify the Roman number. Let's start with it. Here the 0 for the classic one. Now what we're going to do is to use the number 1 option. So we make it. Let's try it. As you see, the numbers are different over here, but we use the same one. The 499 or the 499, but with 2 different options, the 0 and the 1. I'm gonna do anyone with the other options, and you can. So I have already finished all the 5 options we have, and you see we have the 499 with a 0 option. Here we have the 499 with the 1 option. Here we have the 499 second option, we have the 900 option, and here we have the 489 with the fourth option. These are the 5 options we can use for select our Roman number in Microsoft Excel. Okay, this will be all for today, and thank you. Bye.